i3 KNX app can connect to the server in one of three modes: local only, external only, local and external. The mode can be set during the Start Setup or in the Server section of the config. Local only work mode is set by default when a project is created. In the local only mode, a panel connects to the server in the local network. In the external only mode, a panel is connected to the server via the internet. It's a secure connection via Iridium cloud service without port forwarding or wide IP address. The cloud service sends messages via a secure protocol. It does not store data that it sends, and it does not know personal information about devices. Local and external mode is a mixed work mode. The name of the home Wi-Fi network of the server is written here, and if the name of the home Wi-Fi network agrees with the name of the network a panel is connected to, connection will be made locally. And if the name is different, connection is made via the cloud service. Let's activate local and external work mode. Enter the name of the home Wi-Fi network. After changing the work mode of the server, remember to update a control project on all panels.